I sing the body electric, the army of those who engirth me, and I engirth them. Well, they will not let me off till I go with them, respond to them, and discorrupt them, and charge them full of the charge of the soul. Was it doubted that those who corrupt their own bodies conceal themselves? And if those who defile the living are as bad as those who defile the dead, and if the body does not do fully as much as the soul, and if the body is not the soul, what is the soul? Gentlemen, look on this wonder. Whatever the bids of the bidders, they cannot be high enough for it. For it, the globe lay preparing quintillions of years without one animal or plant. For it, the revolving cycles truly and steadily